All right, so we're working on the overdrive unit of the A500 transmission. That's the case for it right there. Today I assembled overrunning clutch. I'm not putting the bearing on. It looks kind of burned. And there was a lot of gray matter in this area. And I used some assembly glue right here. I know your book says something like petroleum jelly, but this, if you want something to stay in place while you're assembling it, that's what you want to go with. This stuff is really sticky. The petroleum jelly, although I do have some of that out, is good for lubrication, but it doesn't really work for what we're doing here. I'm following along in the ATSG book, annulus gear, right there, so on and so forth. So this is where I'm leaving off, where we put this bearing on. Well, let's see, it's this bearing here, excuse me. Overrunning clutch is on. So we got the clutch hub, the overrunning clutch, and then you got your annulus gear and your output shaft. That's your front bearing. There's another snap ring I had to put in here, and there's one on the back side for your drum clutch. There's another one that goes down inside right there. So you have to slide this up after you put this one in here in to get that one in. So probably would have went farther today, but I do want to use those new bearings, and they should be coming in the mail from eBay by tomorrow. So I guess I need to leave this project go till that comes. There are other issues I can work on the truck. I think maybe the ignition's in the off position, so that could be the reason that the park lights are coming on. Maybe the truck's designed to do that, because you know you're supposed to have your park lights on when you have the key in the ignition, when you're parked, sitting in your truck. So like you put it to the accessory to listen to radio, then your park lights are going to come on. I think that's the way it works, but I'll find out more about that later. But yeah, pretty decent looking truck. I would love to make use of these studded snow tires. Yeah. So this is Rudy signing off.